Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to mine this circle, and how to convert the points to circle token. Okay, some of you in my WhatsApp group have been asking me, how can you convert your point to token? So that is what I want to discuss in this video. Okay, this circle is a very nice project, just like Major. So if you are watching this video right now and you haven't registered, click on the link below this video and it will take you to your Telegram. Register and start mining it. It's not difficult. Okay, so what do you need to do once you register? The first thing that you need to do is for you to click on this N. Okay, so once you click on this N, as you can see all the tasks that they told you to do here, they check-in on turn. You just do this one once. This check-in on turn, you're going to pay for gas fee. So if you don't have turn for gas fee, you just leave it. As you can see, I haven't done it yet. That is if I'm going to do it. So the second one is follow circle on Telegram. So if you click on it, you're going to follow them on Telegram. You click on subscribe. I've already followed them. So once you follow them, you come back to your circle, you click on check subscription, and you'll be getting your 2000. As you can see, I've gotten my 2000 points. So you click on share in stories. At least all these ones is the one that you can do for free. You click on share. You do this on daily basis. Okay, there is nothing to do, no tap, you are not tapping anything. So once you share in stories, you come back, click on check stories. Okay, so as you can see, I've done these two tasks. These tasks that you can be doing daily if you don't have turn to check in. Okay, if you don't have stars to boost your circle. Okay, so once you are done doing that, you can watch ad to earn 1000 points. Okay, so once you are done doing this task, you come to this one time to do the task there. Okay, so they ask you to follow this channel, subscribe to our YouTube, follow circle on IG. Just do all these tasks. Okay, you click on it, you subscribe, you go back, you click on check subscription. Okay, just make sure that you do all the whole task for you to get more points. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, thank you to all my subscribers, all my amazing subscribers, those that have been supporting me, liking my posts, commenting, sharing my posts. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are doing well. Thank you. So you follow them on X. I don't want to follow them because my X is having issue. You can just click go back, check subscription. They're not actually verifying it. Okay, okay, so I'm done with this task. You can go to partners to do the task. Okay, see all the tasks that they ask you to do. I've not done any one. You can do them, just do them to earn more points. Okay, so once you are done doing your task, the next thing that you're going to do is to come to this upgrade. Okay, come to this upgrade. As you can see, I have converted my points to 115,000 circles. Okay, and this is circle token. For now, I don't know if that's still going to convert it. Okay, so this is my point now. This is my spark point now. Okay, what do you need to do? What you need to do is that you need to put the amount of points, of spark points, that you need to convert to circle. Okay, Assuming I want to put 1,000. See, this 1,000 point is giving me 2,500 circle. Okay, so if I click on upgrade now, this line here, this thing here is going to roll around the circle. Okay, this line here is going to roll around this circle. Okay, so if this yellow bar here did not touch this black line, see this black line, if it did not touch it, that means the upgrade failed. But once that yellow bar touches this line, that means you have gotten it. Okay, that means the upgrade is successful. So let's try the one that I just put 1,000 spark points. You click on upgrade. Like I said, as you can see, it did not touch it there. It said failed. So that is how you'll be trying it. Okay, that's how you'll be trying it. You'll be trying it until you get it right. Okay, and as you are trying it, they are minusing your spark point. So you keep on trying it. Sometimes you'll be lucky to get on every of your attempts. Okay, sometimes I used to be lucky. Every time I come, I will get. But as you can see today, I have tried it 3 times now and I have not gotten anyone. You keep on trying. As you can see, I've gotten this one now. I've got this, the yellow bar have touched the black line. As you can see, it's success I've gotten after 3 attempts. So once you have gotten, you're going to click on this one, claim here. If you have Telegram star, you can claim ×2 of it for 40 stars. Okay, so that is how it works. You claim. You can still upgrade more if you want. Okay, as you can see now, I have 117,500 circle. So that is how it works. If you want to invite your friends, you can click here, click on invite, copy your referral link and share. Okay, so you can come here on this home to connect your wallet, connect your Ton wallet. Okay, so as you can see, how many upgrades that I've done? 36. They said Spark Pass coming. So this is how it works. Take this project serious. Take it very serious. It's a very nice project. It's a potential project. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you are not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my group link, my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it and join my WhatsApp group because it's not every update that I post in my WhatsApp group that I post on my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching.